Hey, Scott here, Amazon Influencer. Today we're going into the bathroom and install a new shower head. That's a 10-inch shower head. It comes with a handheld sprayer, a 3-way diverter. Looks like about a 16-inch arm off of it. So we're going to go in the bathroom and get this one installed and show it to you. Okay, so right now we're in the shower. We're going to use the Teflon tape that they give us and put that around the threads here, the old off. I'll put that around the threads here on the existing shower arm. So let me do that and I'll be right back. All right, we got our tape on around there. This is the 3-way diverter. Basically, it's gonna connect up to here. This is the button to turn the inverter on and off to either come out the top or go out the shower spray handle. So let's get this on. That does turn to allow the flow. You have to tighten that up, but let's get the rest of it up there. This is with the diverter and the arm that comes up here. So we'll get the head installed on it. All right, for this piece right here that connects to your existing shower arm that comes out there, we did use a crescent wrench to tighten that up, to get it tight. And we also used Teflon tape up here to put around that connection. So we're getting ready to put the head on. Give me just a second. There's with the shower head, an awesome, gosh, 10-inch shower head, rain, all effect. Looks really good. Here's with the handheld. It's got so many different ways on it. I'll have to learn how to use it, but that is adjustable. Then that button right there will turn it off. Turn it off there. Push the button so you can see it. As you see here, I turned it back on, but we have no water. So that button controls everything. It'll shut it off automatically if you want to save water in the shower. Pretty nice setup. I've got to put the hanger up here, and I'll do that here in a few minutes. So very pleased with our new shower head and hand sprayer. Turned out really well. Easy to operate, easy to install. It just gives you so much water out of that, out of the top. I've gotta invert that. There you go. That's just amazing. Very happy with this. Highly recommend it.